Take command of the road in the 2020 Volvo XC60. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.